HP Pavilion 22cwa 21.5-Inch Full HD 1080p IPS LED monitor, tilt, VGA, and HDMI, T4Q59AA, black. Resolution and panel, 21.5-inch Full HD monitor, 1920x1080p at 60Hz, with 16:9 aspect ratio and an anti-glare IPS LED-backlit panel, 2 million pixels. Response time, 7 milliseconds with overdrive and vivid color scheme for a smooth picture that looks crisp and fluid without motion blur. Adjustable viewing, adjustable tilt, -5 degrees to 25 degrees, with 178 degrees positional viewing for the best quality at any angle. Connectivity, open wedge contemporary design allows easy access to VGA and HDMI with HDCP support for laptop or multi-monitor setups includes AC power cord, VGA cable, and power adapter. Compatibility, plug and play for all OS such as Windows and Mac OS for laptop connectivity and PS4. Note, USB-C Thunderbolt 3 to HDMI adapters required for 2016 MacBook Pros or later. Brightness and contrast, 250 nits of brightness, up to 8,000,001 dynamic contrast ratio, and up to 1001 static contrast ratio. Responsibly made, save your wallet with an Energy Star certified monitor that meets strict energy efficiency guidelines and helps reduce your carbon footprint. Warranty, 1-year limited warranty with 24-hour, 7 days a week web support when shipped from and sold by Amazon. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.